This 2004 Hyundai Elantra, and so the door handle is busted. So I just want to show you, you can take this bolt out right there, unscrew that, and then get a pry out this, they go out like that. See that one broken. And they have a little bit of a plastic clip on them. See that? Right there? Hold on. So, here you go. I already unsnapped one of them. And see how it's got that little groove in there? Those snap up onto there and hold that in there properly. So you want to kind of be careful with these and don't break them. I'm not sure if the new one comes with a new one. I'm going to assume it does, but you just want to kind of I'm going to need both hands for this. But you want to just press on this and hold it, do it with the screwdriver. Okay, you can see how that just snapped off. See, so now both of these lines that come are free and they're not attached to anything anymore. Right? So they're like that. See how they are?